my name is Chris. I'm gonna do a little video on painting an engine bay. I've already started. To be honest, it's a rattle can one, so I'm not here for showroom finishes, but here to make it look good, better than what it was before, because it was painted ugly color. I didn't like it, and I just like to learn and try something new. So let's get it on with it. There's the paint. I painted it black. It's a bit dusty, so it's a bit hard to tell, but yeah, it's there. So I painted majority of it, 3/4, and what I need to do now is just paint the firewall. So as you can tell, it's a bit hammered. I need to take the brake booster off, the master, and I might leave that because I don't have to go crazy. To be honest, this is the things I use. These things you'll need. This is super gloss clear. This primer, some tape to tape some stuff off. Obviously you need the wax and grease remover, acetone if stuff gets stuck. By trade, I'm a mechanic, so don't go crazy at me if this doesn't look how you were expecting it, but why not have a go, give it a shot, see what happens. This is obviously why I did it. You can see how it's like blue and stuff. It's all black. I want it black. I want it like this. It's all blue. I couldn't be bothered getting that out because it's a pollution. So is that. So I'll go around it. Bit of rust here. It is what it is. Let's get to work. Bit of sandpaper now. Get the job sorted. So we start off with 400. 400 should be good, and then we'll see how that goes. To me, the more rougher the sandpaper, the less effort you have to do. But at the same time, you gotta remember you don't have to take all the paint off. See how you showed bare metal here? You don't have to go that far. That's too much, but I guess that the paint they used was just too light of a coat, so all the sandpaper I'm using is way too rough. It's not that easy, but it's not that bad. You get used to it.
2 hours later.
That's how much we have got so far. Just sanding it back. So obviously some of this little black stuff, I don't know if it's paint or what do you call it? Plastic dip. I don't know if it's that. But yeah, it's been about 40 minutes. A bit more to go. We'll just go around there. And remember guys, I'm not here to fucking make a showroom car. Just meant to make it look better than that. You can start taping stuff up like these things. Tape them up, block the holes, whatever you want to do. It's nothing crazy. This rust here is pissing me off, but I'll see what I can do. Other than that, that's about it, man. Just take your time. It took about an hour and a half. I was so grateful because the rest of this engine bay took me like a whole day. I'll get the primer started now. Wax and grease remover. We'll go through it. Let's do it. Online. I'll show you what it is. This is what it is. It's like a handle. Because before I did it all by my fingers, and I'm telling you, by the time I was done, my fingers, they were cramping up and I was stressing. So I got this thing. Apparently you press the trigger and it sprays it on there. See if it works. Okay, it works. Obviously I haven't shook the primer yet, but I'll shake it for about 2-3 minutes, get it all good and going, and yeah, so this is what it looks like now. This is all wax and grease removed, well, as much as I could, sanded, and yeah, we'll go from there. I'll film it when I primer, I guess. If I F it up, then it is what it is. I try, that's it, all you can do is try your best. Honestly guys, this handle, I'm not even selling it, but way easier. Looks cleaner too, it spreads out much better than your hand. You're like full shaking and trying to do it. Just get the handle, just buy it online. I think it's like 20-30 bucks. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. That's just pretty much the prep part. Still gotta put another couple coats, but I won't really record that. You gotta wait half an hour between coats for this type of primer, I guess, and then a couple days for it to actually cure before you can start wet sanding it. Because last time I didn't wait that long. I waited about 1 day, maybe 2, and then I went to wet sand it. It just came straight off, and I was like, what a waste. Anyways, let's get it sorted. I'll keep you updated, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.